In this video, I will show you how to execute a program using if-else conditional statement. First, I will show you the syntax of if-else. So this is if-else syntax. First, we have to begin the if condition, that is called as if block. I am going to highlight some colors. So this one. After if condition, after if condition, whatever the braces we started, and we need to enclose some n number of statements. First statement, second statement, and so on. N number of statements we can enclose. Finally, we have to close the brace. This is called if block. Whatever we declared after the if statement, that is treated as if block. And here we need to pass a condition. We need to pass a condition. So the purpose of this condition is, if the condition is true, then only the if block statements are executed. Otherwise, the if block statements are ignored by the C compiler. So compiler will consider the if block statements whenever the condition is true. If the condition returns false, then the other part of the program will be executed. Other part means else block. Else, in else block also we can keep n number of statements. Statement 1, statement 2, and so on, nth statement. Like n number of statements we can enclose inside the if as well as the else. After the else keyword, we have to begin the brace. At the end, we have to close it. This is considered as else block. This part is called as else block. So like this, we have to declare if and its corresponding else. So either this or that. In that scenario, we are going to take the help of the if else condition. Suppose, for example, if you want to check whether the given number is even or odd. If it is even, then if block will execute. If it is odd, else block will execute. Or if you want to check whether the given number is positive number or negative number. Only two scenarios are there. So if it is positive, if the condition becomes true, we will declare that it is positive. If the condition is false, then we will declare that the given number is negative. So in such cases, we can take the help of the if condition. The same if condition, if else condition, we can understand with the help of a flowchart diagram. This is the flowchart diagram. So this is the start, and this is the conditional expression. If the conditional expression returns true, then after when it is true, another set of statements are executed. That is called if block or if branch. If the condition returns false, then the other set of statements are executed. So whatever I explained till now in the when I'm explaining the syntax part of the if else, the same thing, just a diagrammatic representation. Using the diagrammatic representation, I am projected here. This is this symbol is for condition symbol. This is the symbol for condition, and here block of statements are represented by using a rectangular box. And there are the condition box. Outcomes are two, either true or false. If the outcome is false, these set of statements are executed. If the outcome is true, these set of statements are executed. After come out of the condition, that is stop. Last step, that is called stop. So I will show you a sample program. I will open the editor. After opening the editor, create a new source file. Include the required header files. Here only we need one header file, standard header file, that is standard io.h. After that, begin the main function. That is the starting point of execution of the C program. Here I will keep some condition inside the if statement. According to the syntax, just now we learned the syntax of if. If in parenthesis we have to place some expression or the condition. After evaluating that expression, if it returns true, then the statements inside the if block will execute. So inside if block will execute. Otherwise, the statements in else block will execute. Inside else block. Inside else block. At any moment of time, only one statement is executed. That is the reason I'm not including slash n statement here. I'm not taking the help of the slash n statement here, because either if will be executed or else will be executed, but both cannot be executed at the same time. So first we need to save this program. This is if else first demo program. So if else demo1.c. After that, compile the program. So there are no errors now. So what is the expected output for this program? Here, instead of a condition, just I directly given 1. In C language, 1 means true. 1 means true, 0 means false. Suppose if I given 1 means, so this condition is treated as true. When the condition becomes true, then the if block statements are executed, else block statements are ignored. This part is ignored by the compiler. Only the first part, if block only executed. Why? Because we put the condition as true. We will check the output. You can see. Inside if block. This is the statement we kept inside the if block. Only that is the reason it is executed. Suppose if I change the condition, instead of 1, if I put 0, now once we made any changes, immediately we have to save it, recompile the program for checking the errors, no errors, no warnings. Now run the program. As this time I passed it 0. 0 means in C language, false is represented by using 0. So false means the if part is not executed, only else part is executed. So this part means we are expecting the output inside else block. Check it. At any moment of the time, so here only inside else block is, at any moment of the time, either if block will be executed or else block will be executed, but both cannot be executed. As I told you that there is a program like to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. Either the number may be either even or odd, but it cannot be both. Similarly, to check positive number or negative number, either the given number is maybe positive number or negative number, but cannot be both. In such cases, we can use if else statements like this.